What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be replacing my map lights and my cargo light in the car. Most vehicles right now come with a regular filament type of bulb, and as you get older you'll find out it gets harder to see at night. And what I found are these LED bulbs from Diode Dynamics, and I have to say they're pretty impressive. The ones I'm going to be putting in the cargo light, which is between the rear seat and the front seats, is an SMF2 LED bulb, and the same ones are going to be going into the cargo lights, or the map lights. So I'm going to show you how to get the plastic off without breaking it, and how to swap the bulbs out, and later on tonight I'll bring the camera out and you guys can see what it looks like with the regular bulbs in it, or the new bulbs in it. Alright, so let me readjust my camera here and we'll get going. Alright, everybody, so this is the cover that you're going to need to take off right here. Now, you don't want to just come up here and start reefing on this and try pulling it down. I just take my fingernail and put it in between the seam right here and just gently pull it down. Just, you're pushing forward just a little bit when you're doing it. The same thing on this side. And that's it. You don't want to come from the front and start reefing on it, because that's where the tabs sort of lock into the front. So as you unlock it from the rear here, just tilt it down and pull it away. So now we got the regular bulbs up here. Here's your first one. They still work, so what I'm probably going to do is just pull them and leave them aside for right now. You can get in here with your fingers, you know, you can pop them out of here. And that's all there is to it. We'll take our new bulbs, and this is going to make a big difference in the appearance in your car at night. There are different types of bulbs you can get. You could get colored lamps for these. I can't remember if I bought a really bright one here or if these are the brightest ones here, but you can get them brighter, I know that. So when you put these in, I don't know if you can see the little yellow tabs here, but you want those facing down. If you do it this way, you're going to be pointing your light up. You don't want that. We'll put it in the one side, stick it in the other. Then I'll make sure that it's facing downwards. So that's the first one. I'll get the second one up in here. Put one side in, push a little bit towards the center, then pop the other one in place. And that's all there is to it. Let's see if see how that one's not right, because it's not working. Let me close the door here again. And if that happens, only thing you gotta do is flip it around. Got a 50-50 chance. Your shot at getting it right. There it is. It's on already. Now you're not going to have to worry about burning your fingers on these, because they're not that hot. But that's all there is to it. And the lights do shut off on their own, which is nice. They dim somewhat. So when you put this cover back on, we're going to put in these tabs first. We'll put in Click, click. And like I said, we'll come out here tonight and see what it looks like. Alright, now I'm going to resituate my camera and we're going to go for the cargo light. Alright, so here's the cargo light. You got your yellow light. Not a fan. I'll pop the new one out here in case. Same thing on this one. You're going to go for the corners. So I'm going to take and put my fingernails, or you can just use a really small screwdriver. Just get under a corner. So right now I just have my fingernail under that corner. I'll go to the other side too. And just pop it down. When you pull these out, push it towards the rear a little bit and let the one side fall out and then take it right out. Same thing with this one. You gotta have the LEDs pointing downwards. You'll be able to tell which one's the circuit board and which one is the LED. Put the LEDs, only thing you're gonna be lighting is the upside of the surface or the roof. So put it in, push it back a little bit, and there you go. Just make sure it's somewhat level, not favoring the light to one side of the cab or the other. And I'll put the cover back on. There you go. It's a lot better than that yellow light, that's all I know. Alright. So, it's a lot simpler, just do it yourself. You can go to the car dealer, they're probably going to charge you $20-30 to replace the bulbs. I don't think it's worth it. It's just, it's a waste of money. There's so many things you guys can do yourself. And this is one of them, and this took a whole, 3 minutes to swap the lamps out. So, have at it, people. Don't be afraid to work on your car. We'll talk to y'all later. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.